how I have made over $18,000 in 1 week with Clickbank affiliate marketing. As you can see over here, right? Previous weeks, I was starting to promote manifestation product on Clickbank. So basically info products. This is not weight loss space, okay? Very easy product to promote. Why? Because it's, as you can see over here, it's all about compliance, right? So I have been using Google pay-per-click ads. Why Google? In this case, I love Google because it's all about buyers intent, okay? When we are promoting products, we are actually looking for buyers, okay? In many cases, there won't be any buyers. So what I do is I make ad strategy in a way to go after non-buyers, turn them into the problem state and move them with my ad copy and landing page or pre-sale page into the solution state, because all the conversions and sales are happening only and only in solution state. But first of all, you have to understand awareness level of your audience. So in this was only 65% females, okay? Audience in this manifestation space was females, mostly buyers, okay? Now, when it comes to this, you have to understand, are they high emotional state, low emotional state? And again, you don't have to learn all this yourself. Once you work with someone one-on-one, they can give you exact template and exact strategy, the key that will open the door for you to have success with affiliate marketing as a beginner, okay? So as you can see over here, those are the results. Now, what is the most important thing? Let me show you over here, okay? I know that everyone else is showing you this and saying to you, oh, let's create a landing page on ClickFunnels, and they give you something like this. Especially when you buy a course from some guru for $3,000, they will give you something like this, which is wrong. It doesn't convert. Why? This only catches curiosity clickers, meaning people who are only curious enough to know, shit, what is on that site? What is on the landing page after the ad? They click, you lose the money and time. Okay, it doesn't work. It's outdated. It used to work maybe before, but actually it doesn't work because it doesn't get people into the solution state. Okay, yes, it only catches curiosity with some ugly, weird images, kind of pattern interrupt. But the purpose of pre-sale page is to pre-sell 5 points. Okay, there are 5 points I'm teaching my students and clients. You have to have on each and every landing page, no matter what niche you're in, 5 pre-sale points in the order. If 1 or 2 of them are missing, you will not get many sales. It will not work. Why? Because let's be honest. Do you agree with me? Yes or no? That on the other side of the ad are not AI robots. They are human beings like me and you watching this video right now. Okay, are human beings, not AI, ChatGPT robots. Okay, so this is why we can get more sales. And some people watching this, maybe you're watching this, you are struggling. Maybe you tried and thought, oh, it doesn't work. It doesn't work for me. Yes, because you're following the wrong strategy, the wrong plan. As you can see over here, look what we are doing. When I'm working with someone, I always give them a different mechanism to use, different structure of the markets, because you have to understand that, okay? And promoting the proven offer that has a strong, high enough upsell take rate. The reason why I can make so much money, the only reason is because I understand the economics, the math behind advertising, behind traffic and conversions, okay? If someone buying ebook, let me actually show you. If someone buys product for $47 on Clickbank, usually there's going to be recurring commissions, monthly commissions, or upsells, which is like this $97 upsell, and then maybe third upsell. So from one customer, one click, you could make around 300, even $1,000 on Clickbank. It's possible, and you don't have to promote weight loss supplements if you don't want to. Okay, there are many proven offers that if the audience and market size, market share is big enough, more than 1 million, 2 million, 3 million people, of course, you can make at least $300 per day, if not more. And $300 a day is also, let's say, almost $10,000 a month. It is also yours in the bank account. Okay? So as you can see over here, look, the results we are getting over here with my students. And now, you can see over here, right? Everyone is capturing people with curiosity-based ads. This is the secret. If you have been watching my videos or other gurus on YouTube are buying courses and wondering Why the heck is everyone else creating this kind of pre-sale pages or ads? You can see that. Go on Google and see, or on Facebook, on YouTube. You will see these kind of weird images. It doesn't work. Yes, it gets maybe many clicks, a high enough click-through rate, but click-through rate doesn't make you money in the bank. Okay, when people click, in order for you to make money on Clickbank, they have to buy the product after watching VSLs, video sales letters, right? So this only gets people curious enough. Okay, there is no buyer's intent. That's the problem. You can see, look, no buyer's intent is zero sales. This is the problem with most funnels. The problem with most funnels is this: they don't create buyer's intent. And in any market, there are maybe 30,000 people right now, as you watch this video with me, listening to my voice, 30,000 people who are sellable, meaning they will buy right now on the spot. The rest are non-buyers, which is your job as an affiliate with your ads and pre-sale page to put them into the problem state and move them through the solution state. Okay? Because the ad, yes, will get a little bit attention, and it has to create kind of low intent. And once they are on advertorial or your landing page or pre-sale page, whatever you want to call it, the job of the pre-sale page is, as I told you before, if you remember, to put people to create a higher enough buyer's intent. So once they get to the VSL on Clickbank, the video that they watch, close them on the idea. Okay? So that's how it works in a nutshell. And if you're wondering, oh, do I have to learn all this? No. If I were you, I would get someone who can help me one-on-one by hand-holding me, by showing me exactly what actually works in 2025. Okay? So that's the secret. And you can spend 30 minutes per day, 20, 30 minutes per day, an hour max, 1 hour maximum. Even not that, I would say 30 minutes a day managing the ad campaign once someone helps you to get it up and running. Okay? It doesn't take magic to do this. Okay? And you can make really great money online as an affiliate. So you can see, you have already paid the price. If you already knew how to make money, you would be watching those videos, but you don't. And again, it's not your fault. The reason you don't know how to make money online, Clickbank, is because you have been following the wrong methods. You have been buying courses, watching different free YouTube videos, and you haven't figured it out yet by now. So the reason why, again, is because you don't have the right strategy. As I showed you before, problem state, solution state, and knowing, is my customer, is the person who is clicking on my landing page solution aware, problem aware, or even totally unaware. Okay? So that's how it works. Now, what we get done together, as you can see with one of my clients, my students, we get up and running one-on-one over the Zoom call. We set up ad campaign, no matter what. It's Google, it's TikTok, it's Facebook. Those are all platforms, ad networks to run ads. Okay? So this is how it works. Okay? Now, as you watch this video, what you can do next is you can connect with me one-on-one. So over here, you can see this is my Instagram. I have also my free Facebook group. I have also WhatsApp number and email, all in the description below. You can reach out to me, okay? But only if you're serious. If you really want to have these kind of results, as you can see over here, I have traveled to over 65 countries. I'm always sharing everything, okay? So why? Not to brag, but to show you what life is possible once you take affiliate marketing really seriously, and once you can go and start generating really great income with affiliate marketing. Okay, all these can work for you, no matter where you live. India, Australia, US, Brazil, doesn't matter, as long as you are serious enough to, maybe, I don't know, maybe you want to help your family, your parents, your spouse, your kids, your family, get on more vacation, travel around the world, or do something, I don't know, buy a new car, make that payments. Okay, ask yourself, what does it cost you not doing this? What will cost me to not take action, to not try and give it another shot at affiliate marketing, another try at affiliate marketing in 2025? Okay, this is the right question to ask yourself. I ask myself every time, what is the cost of not doing this? Yeah, of course, I can save few $1,000 by not doing this, but what it will cost me? It would cost me hundreds of thousands of dollars that I'm earning right now, thanks to taking action and getting someone to help me one-on-one and hand-holding me to speed up and get fast forward myself to get fast results. So again, thank you for watching. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, but only if you're serious, reach out to me one-on-one.